We're going to be surprising my nan with a dog and my dad with a nice weekend away in a little house. So how are we going to do this? Well, my mum's been in contact with a breeder and she's going to Wales to pick up the dog. And then on Thursday, which is both my nan and my dad's birthday, we're going to give the dog to my nan. And then the next day is when dad's surprise holiday comes in. Dad's going to think that he's got work, I'm going to be taking him. Little does he know that we're staying away for 3 nights, but Dad has no idea. So yeah, there's a lot to do, let's get on with it. My mum here has been organising all of this, and my nan has no idea that she'll be getting a dog tomorrow. So do you have anything to say to Dad right now?
Haha. Yeah, stop being miserable because we have sorted your birthday out, you just don't know about it.
Then I had an interview with Grandad about his thoughts on the surprise. Well, you know the surprise. What's she getting then?
I know what she's getting.
What is it?
A Yorkshire Terrier. She's always wanted a little Yorkshire Terrier since Zoe died.
How long ago was that?
Before your mother was born.
How do you feel about the fact that there's going to be another one?
I'm not bothered. Ask me after the dog's been here for a week.
Yeah.
We don't go very far now, and she will look after it. I will help to look after it.
Are you going to already have a name, or is it going to be...
No, it's not
That's going to be up to Nan, is it?
It's not up to me.
He's not going to know what it is, but I reckon he's got a little bit of an inkling. For him to have had a request on holiday at work, oh well, we've only got to get through 2 more days.
Honestly, we've had some close calls. Anyway, it's the day of their joint birthday, so I stormed downstairs, greeted with a lovely message from Mum.
Morning, fuck off.
Then went into Dad to wish him a happy 40th.
Good morning.
Who once warned, still refused to wear a t-shirt.
He's going to put it on his bloody YouTube channel, you know this.
Yeah.
So, I went on my way to grab him a t-shirt for him to say this.
Body of a god, right, it'd be good for your YouTube channel. You'd get like hundreds of thousands of views.
After shifting our attention to the dog, we said our goodbyes.
Where are you going?
And escaped away from our half-naked dad to give Nan a happy birthday.
Fuck off.
So Dad thinks that we're here recording a happy birthday for Nan, but we're actually here recording for him. We'll do a rehearsal, yeah?
Alright.
The video we are recording here is a small part of a bigger video that will be showcased to Dad when we're on holiday. We're going out for a meal with some of Dad's family while Mum goes and gets the dog from Wales. Right, it's my turn.
Harsh Christ.
Dad, I'm going to take a photo of you. Okay.
Better not be putting them on Facebook.
I'm not putting it on Facebook, am I? Do you want to see your photo?
No.
That I just took of you? Are you sure? Are you sure?
That's all it is now.
So, after the meal was done, it was now time for Nan's surprise. The dog had finally arrived after a long journey from Wales, ready to be given a new home and a new family. Long journey?
Very long journey.
What if Nan doesn't want a dog anymore? What if Nan refused to be a new owner? Well, we're about to find out. Everything the family had prepared for was leading up to this exact moment. Alright, Pop?
Yeah, you alright?
Yeah. Good evening.
Hello, love.
Alright, happy birthday.
Thank you, my love. Oh, please don't! I don't like this!
Don't worry, just judge your back.
I don't like this!
Sit still.
Still. Don't panic.
Who's that? It's your daughter. Your hands are freezing! Put your hands out, please.
Oh, give me your hand, mummy.
Oh, Stephen!
So give me your hand.
And just like that, Nan's birthday gift was now hers.
Oh, happy birthday!
Birthday!
24th of November. It's a 12 operator, so they're going to stage one day, Saturday, 26th of November.
Alright, Dad.
A man who set fire to life for her murder. 53-year-old Stephen attacked Margaret in 1998.
Who's
Silly old fucker.
Love you.
It was lovely to see the family get together and enjoy themselves, as well as see the dog settle in to its new home. Hold on, stop! Right, rewind please. Okay, stop! Yes, perfect. Zoom in! This is the face of a man. Wait, no, not Trevor, to the right! Thank you. This is the face of a man who has no idea what's going to be happening to him the next day. He is completely clueless. Anyways, carry on.
Waterworks returned on the night, aren't they?
No, they're not.
So now that we had one less surprise to worry about, we enjoyed celebrating Nan and Dad's birthday. And whilst Dad was forced to wear his Peppa Pig badge with pride, it was time to leave Nan with her shit machine and shift our focus onto Dad. It was now time for Dad's surprise. Today's the big day. He wants a lift in about an hour, but now it's just a case of making sure we've got everything before we go, because once we're gone we can't come back. Dad thinks that he's being driven to work, but what he doesn't know is that it's a complete setup and he's going to be driven straight past it. I've set up this shot here. I mean, it's obvious that a camera's there, but if he does ask, then I'll just say that it's for a filming project and that it's what we're filming today, and I've set up the camera ready to go. He can't see it in any of my mirrors, so great. This is it. In a moment, Dad's literally going to be sat right here, just waiting for him to come out, which I think is like now, so see you in a moment. So we were off, and it was at this moment that I drove straight past his work. Do that. At first, he wasn't too worried because there was a roundabout coming up, but of course, I did a lap and then carried on going the wrong way. There was another roundabout coming up, but of course, I'm still going to go the wrong way.
That one, you... Harvey, you're going to get in shit in a minute.
Now it's time to take Dad for a day out in Minehead.
What are you doing?
How's your day out going?
I look like a cat's away.
You look fine. Time for some mini golf. Yeah, Dad won. I could tell that Dad was absolutely ecstatic during his day out, so I had to separate him from the fun and take him to the next destination. Right, Dad.
I'm like eating the burger here. Wait,
What?
I want like 2 more mouthfuls.
Alright, fine. Right, Dad. Hello.
What?
Yeah, do you want to know what's going on now? What we're going to do? So, now, we're going to head to a wildlife and a dinosaur park.
Right now.
Yeah.
It's a day's nearly over.
Yeah. Well, that's where we're heading. Alright. So, off we go. By this point, Mum had packed all of our luggage into a separate car and was on her way. We needed to head somewhere which was nearer to our holiday home, so we went to a park which was closed for the season. Of course, Dad didn't know that it was closed, but it was a part of our plan, so we had to play it off. This wasn't planned. We're at the dinosaur park. Are you sure it's closed? Can we not go in?
Bobby, there's a big sign right behind me and it says closed.
It is close, it says close.
We've been sat here like absolute dickheads for the last time.
Well, what should we do?
Just drive and I'll follow you wherever, I don't care, just drive.
Well, Dad, you mentioned Ilfracombe, didn't you? So let's go there.
What's there then?
I don't know. A beach.
So, off we went for the final time. After a long day, we eventually made it to Ilfracombe. All that was left was for Dad's family to hide in the house, and then for us to discreetly arrive at the correct address without accidentally pulling up on some randomer's drive, dragging in a clueless bloke, and then demanding to stay there for 3 nights. Should we go and knock on the door?
No. Let's go on then.
Come on then, Dad! So now it was time to finally reveal what was really going on. It's open. We just go in. Let's just go in. Come on, come in. Come on.
Alright.
Happy birthday!
There's no run around today? Oh, bloody hell.
Happy birthday,
Must have been a lot of roundabouts.
It was.
I'll tell you what, let's just drive in here.
Look at this place. Trying to deal with Dad, so annoying.
I was getting frustrated. I kept my comments to this can on mine.
Happy birthday, Dad.
I was going to do it when I got to work. When he drives past and I'm in panic mode, thinking, what are you doing? Turn around, gets surrounded by Bishop Lydiard, goes to turn around and carries on. I'm like, what are you doing? Stop playing your jokes and turn around. Gets to the next roundabout, you work out, I turn around and then starts going and then drives on again. And I'm like, oh, hey.
Hope you had a lovely birthday.
I hope you have a lovely day.
Happy birthday, mate.
Everyone's so nice, yeah. Yeah, well,
I think it's safe to say that these were both successful missions and that both surprises were pulled off well. And while Nan and Pop were having quality time with their new family member... What's your name then? What have you called him?
Brucey,
Brucey!
how we love you.
My dad was able to make some lovely memories with his family.